Hey, Bold Crew! Today in the Copy Circle we have Alison Carpio. Alison Carpio, I know her for a while now. I met her in Copytif and I saw her avatar training practically 5 times. And she taught me a lot about avatars and about email marketing. And she relates everything she does with the kitchen. That is something I love because I, as a gastronomic critic, love everything related with food. So, well, this is her website. I am trying a new software for recording, but I have not cleared yet the tools because I wanted to highlight some parts and show you some things, but I will have it nailed for tomorrow. I will study it further. So, her website has changed a little bit since the last time I visited, but it has very interesting twists. It always was very clear what her main goal was in her website. You have very clear what she can do for you in a glance, and that is awesome. I believe that her whole funnel is everything you must do if you want to have success. So let me show you. Here it says how to cook up a Be Our Guest welcome sequence because it's all related to kind of doing the mise en place and preparing everything for your guest and serving dinner before bringing the dessert and before, of course, even asking about buying something. So how to cook one. Here you have your welcome sequence, so you know that it is about email and above the fold is meaning this without scrolling, without doing this. I can already see she's into email marketing. Here I can leave my info, and if I read here, there is a photo of her. Hey, I am Alison Carpio. I teach business owners how to show up authentically and liberate their copy. She has studied very well the main pain points many business owners have, that feeling that copy has to be something that you struggle with and is very difficult and it has all a science behind. Of course, it has a science behind, but she teaches how to do it in a more genuine way and really connecting with your audience and not just filling templates. And she's of course against all that bro boss babe style that is very common here in Latin America. And of course, it's obvious that it will arrive this new form, this better way of making copy that is first connecting with your audience, showing up authentically, and giving value. And I must tell you that she is the queen of giving value. I made a challenge with her of 5 days that turned out to be almost a week, 7 days, because she was in Mexico and she made a challenge and she in lives on Facebook she helped us with the copy that we were submitting, and she gave very honest and very deep and very useful reviews. And in less than 5 days, I was able to write a really good welcome sequence. I know about writing emails and other stuff because I am a copywriter, but I don't have the knowledge and all the career she has. So of course I need to learn and I'm constantly learning. And it was incredible how with just a guide and a few recipes and some touches and some suggestions she made, I was able to totally transform my copy. And of course I will be in her course, not yet because not of the price, but because I'm with another project and I believe it's really important to dedicate time because she's very advocate to her students, to her chefs, and you must give it the time needed. So what I wanted to show you is that before she had a much bigger image. Maybe she just, I'm moving every icon around. I believe maybe she changed it to optimize and make the page load more quickly. Her page never took much time to load for me, but well, it is kind of an optimized version. You can know right away what you are here for. Here you can leave your information, and if we scroll below, you have more things. If you are a business owner, here's how I can help. Work with me now on a VIP day. A quiz, what's your juicy quiz funnel idea? That enters you on another kind of funnel because she sends you the results. But if it had, if it didn't change since when I did it, you can also see the result in the website. You don't have to go to another place. Group email intensive, spicy emails workshops, the brands, social proof, of course, stage appearance, that is, of course, increases the authority she has. It is so very well branded, very well styled. Here she is featured as a cook. And here you have another option and you can download a book. So what I wanted to show you is what happens when I fill the first form, that is this one. You are taken to this thank you page that is also the training page, and this takes 51 minutes. It's a lot of time and it's a very useful training. I have seen several times. And here it says write your welcome sequence in a day, and it's another invitation to another training. But there is no price stated there, so it is very subtle, managed, and very well made. And if you complete this form, this one, you are immediately redirected to the book that has 38 pages. It's very interesting. Thank God you don't have to go confirm your email, then go again and receive another email and download a PDF. It's instantly. And when I went to my email, I had, let me see one thing. No, it was another promotion. Two emails linked to the training. She has resumed a lot her emails. This is her first email. Stay tuned. Here's the link for the training in case you miss it, and your ebook link so that you have it always on hand. Here she separates herself from all the copy bros and all that stuff. And here it says that's not necessary, stay tuned, the same. And here, this is what I wanted to show you. I believe this piece is just gold. Here is her whole funnel described in as simple as 9 lines. In 9 lines, you can make up a whole funnel. And I believe that is amazing. It's a total lesson. Her website is clear, her emails are clear. Here you have what you ask for. This is how I can help. And you have the 3 steps, the ladder value, and she can sell immediately. And why? What is different from Jim Quick, for example? Jim Quick, a brain coach is a concept that maybe nowadays is more clear, but it's not that clear. I didn't knew that I was receiving a freebie, a very valuable freebie, and I was taken to a 300 course. Instead, Alison is telling me, here are 2 gifts, and also I have the quiz funnel to see which kind of quiz is better for my business. I have 3 freebies right away in her main page, and then when I am taken to another place, I have a button with no price stated, and when I go to my inbox, she's redirecting me again to all the freebies I already access to, but she's reminding me the ways in which she can help me. So I think that is a master dish. So I really suggest that you go visit alisoncarpio.com because it's a really interesting funnel to analyze, and we'll be trying to nail that tool so I can make some notes and leave the PDF, the downloadable, in 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 the description of this video so that you can access and have kind of a swipe file of everything that's good and everything that is not so good and that I don't suggest you do it. So well, that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. You have an excellent Friday, and that's all in the copy circle. Bye.